All right, what up, YouTube? Hey, we back at it again. This time it's me and AB. Finna do a little more work on Ghost. I don't know if y'all can see Cranberry in the background, but we just getting Ghost ready, man, because he about to take his first highway trip. So right now, you're gonna see what we about to do to him. Here we go. All right, as y'all can see, Ghost has nothing for my foot to rest on other than like when I just throw my foot up here, which is not very comfortable. So we got to do something about that. So that's what we did. So I went out, got me some adjustable highway pegs. Yep. So AB gonna help me put those on. As you can see, he has one in his hand. This looks like it should be a real simple install. It's got an Allen bolt here, Allen bolt there, and it just mounts right there. Do not take your bike to the Harley shop to do this. I'm serious. Please.
Save your money on more parts.
That's right, right. There's a lot more parts you're gonna need money for. So don't give them that money for this easy install. So I'm gonna get it past the camera to AB, and then I'm gonna put this bracket on. All right, okay. All right, so first things first, these are universal, so you can put on either side of the bike. So I got this one, I'm gonna start, but I want it to where these, can you see these little holes right here that are on the back? I want those facing me. So all I'm gonna do is just pretty much get about to the bottom of that, right after the bend there.
Go ahead and turn it in so you don't have to fight it.
There we go. Just like that, in like that. See, that's what I'm saying. That's why I be learning, man. Guys doing things, we just be learning. Because I was about to have this angle out that way, and AB stopped me right away. All right.
You'll have to squeeze it together with your hand.
I was about to say, I gotta put a little squeeze on that.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. We got a little bite now. Maybe.
I thought you worked out, Tay.
I know, right? Trying to get that thread going.
Don't strip it.
Yeah, that's what it feels like it's doing. Yep.
Yep.
It is. So, I was too low on that
too
bend.
low.
I was too low. All right, so lesson there learned. I was too low down here at the bend. I couldn't get that thing to close. I was like, that was awful damn tight. So once y'all brought it up just a hair, as y'all can hear, it's a lot easier. So it had nothing to do with working out, man. Man, y'all don't want none of this up in the gym, man. If y'all want something, holla at me. Yep. So I'm just gonna cinch it up.
That's good.
Just
we're
like that.
Loosen it up a little bit.
And we're definitely gonna torque it. All right, that's loose there. Now we got the matching peg, you know, so that's gonna look good. The whole empire. Let me take this out. That's why I need that electric one. I think I spoiled, man.
He's got spoiled. He can't use manual tools.
I don't like manual tools no more, man. I done got spoiled. Y'all done got me out here spending money with electric tools and torque wrenches. I don't want to stop. All right, so we'll get this bad baby in here. We'll slide him in there. Just like that. And now we'll torque that down. Yeah, you should be able to. Just like that. And what I like about these adjustments is it's got like little teeth in there, so it's not just on sliding, it's actually got some bite to it. Might be getting tight here in a minute. There we go.
That's good.
All right.
Because you'll have to sit on the bike and I'll loosen it up. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. So see, right now I'm already knowing I need to go out a little more. Yep. Because it feels like I'm sitting. Let me. Yeah. I think it's. Yeah. Let's see. A little more. Yep. Come back in some. Yeah, that's good. Let's try that right there. So it's always good to have a friend to help you adjust the pegs. So otherwise you're up, down, trying to get it right. But yeah, that's about where I want it right now. Obviously, once I really get out on the highway, I'll be able to tell more. Yep. And then now we're gonna repeat the process on the other side. All right, y'all, so we got the right side on. Let y'all take a look at it. So looks good. Nice. Yep. Still got original tape on here. Get that off of there. But yeah, looking good. We haven't torqued it all the way down yet, but it's a nice, comfortable position for me. So now we're just gonna repeat the process and do the other side. All right, so as y'all can see, I got 2 torque wrenches. I was having some difficulties with this, but AB got tools. So we got one set to 58, one set to 19. So this one we're gonna torque down to 58 foot-pounds. This one we're gonna torque down to 19, because this is the one, it's just gonna stay up. If you're in the garage or whatever, you're parking your bike and you don't want it down. And then this one, we just need to make sure it's solid tight. So we're gonna torque this one down first. Hopefully you're in the right direction. At 40, 45. Go. Now, redo the process. I'm going to torque this down to 19 foot-pounds. And it's already set. That's it. Yeah, for me, that seems a little tight. No, it ain't. Goes up. That's what we want right there. Perfect. Now we're gonna repeat the process on the other side. That's it. Just like that, we got highway pegs. All right, quick and easy. Not a long video. Remember, you can do it. All right, so if y'all haven't, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, like it, share it, and then till next time, we out. Peace.